Clean kicks, keeping feet fashionable and fragrant. Shoes are essential to keeping feet healthy. They protect our feet while we are working or working out. Shoes are also expensive and should be cared for properly. At Clean Kicks, we recognize the need for shoe cleaning services for the longevity of our shoe investments, but also for healthy feet. We also offer other shoe services like customized shoe designs and custom inserts. All of these services are brought to your location for your convenience. Buy one, give one. At Clean Kicks, we are not only focused on our customer relationships, we are also focused on helping our community with our Buy One, Give One promotion. For every pair of new shoes you purchase through our mobile retail site, we will donate a pair of shoes to local schools to distribute to homeless or needy children in our community. After all, foot health is important for the health of everyone, not just those who can afford it. In Lincoln County alone, we have 16 to 18 high schools with athletic programs within a 25-mile radius. Industry definition. This industry is a new form of cleaning and retail sales service, offering a mobile service where we come to you to help with shoe cleaning and shoe purchases. Business structure. Limited liability company. This form of business structure will keep the business owner from incurring any debts from the company. The owner's personal assets will be protected if the company should fail and go into bankruptcy. Tax laws allow for profits to be included in the owner's assets and taxed as the owner's personal income, which in turn prevents double taxation. Jobs and roles. Role 1. Manager. The manager will wear many hats. He will be the mobile van driver, the salesperson, the marketer, the shoe cleaner, and the general operations employee. Role number 2. Information technology. This employee will be responsible for all social media sites, for mobile internet connections and software or web-based applications for retail orders. Role 3. Finances and accounting. In the beginning, this duty will be outsourced. It will be important for a professional to be responsible for establishing good accounting practices. If the company prospers, this may be a job that is added. Customer segments. Athletes. Our number one customer segment will be athletes. For this customer segment, we will provide the following mobile services: mobile shoe cleaning services, custom inserts, team shoe orders, and custom design options. Why athletes? Athletes work hard and need footwear that is suited for their individual sport. Most athletic teams select shoes that are the same for every member to symbolize unity. Athletic shoes are expensive, so it is important to keep these shoes fresh and clean so that they can last through a vigorous athletic season. Athletes can also benefit from custom inserts. Many play year-round sports. It is important that shoe inserts match the individual needs of the athlete to allow them to compete at optimal performance levels. Customer segments. Generation Z consumers. This generation includes consumers born from 1995 to the present. For this customer segment, we will provide the following mobile services: all mobile shoe value propositions similar to athletes, but with a focus on the mobile retail sales line. Focus will be on custom shoes, using shoes as a personal brand or statement to the world. Why Gen Z? According to the National Retail Federation, 55% of Gen Z consumers spend their own money on clothes and shoes. Gen Z consumers have a focus on quality and authenticity. According to the National Retail Federation, 55% of Gen Z consumers would like the ability to design products that no one else owns. Gen Z consumers also prefer individualized shopping experiences and technology that provides value and accessibility. Customer relationships and sales plan. At Klean, our first priority is to provide service to our local community athletes. We will develop relationships with local high school athletic directors to offer our services for mobile shoe cleaning and custom shoe orders. We will provide these services at their high school. We will bring options for retail orders on mobile devices so that student athletes can be included in team shoe selections. We will offer a subscription-based service for shoe cleaning that will allow athletes and parents to select shoe cleaning options that best suit their needs. We will pick up shoes on site and return them upon completion of cleaning and sanitizing. Our relationship with school teams and athletes can also provide customer relationships that lead into local AAU teams who need our services. Most of these athletes also fall into the Generation Z customer market, and hopefully through the word of mouth we will develop customer relationships with our potential customers outside of the athletic world who would like to buy and customize shoes with a mobile option. Channels to reach customers. Klean offers a mobile van service that will provide pickup and delivery of shoes to be cleaned and sanitized. This same mobile van will be wired with internet and mobile devices that will allow retail shoppers to select shoes for order. The van will then deliver these shoes when the order is fulfilled. The mobile van will offer a selection of customizing options for customers to purchase to customize their shoes. The mobile van will also have the ability to measure steps and calculate the custom shoe insert that best fits the individual. Revenue streams. Shoe cleaning subscription services from teams and individuals based on weekly or monthly needs. Retail shoe sales from the mobile van. Custom shoe design kits sold from the mobile van. Custom shoe insert measurements, ordering, and sales. The retail market for shoes in the U.S. Key resources. The mobile van. The equipment to establish Wi-Fi in the mobile van. The mobile devices for retail shoe selection. Customized software for custom insert measurements. Customized shoe design kits for purchase from the mobile van. Storage and organization facilities for shoes that have been picked up for subscription cleaning services. Shoe cleaning and sanitation equipment, mobile and at home. Key partnerships. Establishing relationships with local athletic teams is the most essential partnership. With our Give Back initiative and mobile options, Klean will be an easy addition to a great athletic season through the year in high school sporting events. Cost structure. Key external drivers and macroeconomic trends. According to IBIS World, one of the key external drivers for shoe sales is participation in sports. Vision for the future. Klean services really stand apart from the competitors because of our mobile cleaning and shopping options. With our key partnerships with local community high schools and our Give Back initiative, we feel like our community support will be high. We hope in the future to expand our mobile services to more than one mobile van to service both middle and high school athletic teams. We hope to expand to offer mobile shoe service to local hospitals and other physical therapy facilities in our community. Expansion plans may also include a retail storefront in the downtown area to allow other customers shoe cleaning and custom footwear options.